Por lo tanto, recordemos con 2:36.3 la victoria parece para la Bala. 6.3.
Does this victory rate in all your victories?
Yeah, it's a good one, but you know, I also realize sometimes there is most important thing in life. 10 days ago I lost a really good friend, and I want to dedicate to him and to his family this victory. And but yeah, I'm happy.
Tarmac stages and a little bit of struggling you're having, it's going to be a podium at the end of it. You must be pretty happy with that.
Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. You know, well, okay, I have to say the same for Danny. You know, it would have been so nice to see him in a podium in his home event. So sad thing that we can't see him there, but he drove well anyway. That was really, really nice.
weekend again for you, but struggle with setup and then a couple of little other problems, but it's more points.
It's more points, it's another finish, so that's good. Yeah, I think we struggled with the setting on the tarmac and we lost the rally there. Same this morning again, so yeah, it's not easy. We didn't test on the gravel, so we just put the settings, but it was definitely not the best.
Are you relieved it's all over or disappointed?
It was a very difficult stage on the end because we lost the brakes after tarmac, lost the tires, it was very, very slippy. So big moments on the easy turns and the easy corners. So really, really difficult end of the rally, but happy like hell because it is the best rally of us so far. I mean the time losing per kilometer per the fastest guys. So happy with the weekend, and tarmac, gravel, everything was perfect. So happy and good motivation for the future.
Que ahora estaría situado en la 26ª posición. Pues venga, vamos ahí, continuamos. 36.3 la bala de...
Hayden, there is a little smile on your face. You have completed Spain in a World Rally Car. Character building, big learning curve are the two words that phrase that spin to mind.
Oh, it's certainly been a big learning curve, but we've been able to make some gains this afternoon, which is good. Okay, we lost a bit in this one where right rear eliminated and we lost the brakes, but other than that, you know, we've made some gains, and you know, the car, we can still make a lot of extra gains to suit my driving, but you know, fantastic weekend, huge thanks to everyone back at home who's made this opportunity possible, and all of M Sport and everything. So hopefully we can come back, because I'm sure we can use this experience for the better in the future.
That is the future. You want to be in one of these cars?
Oh, definitely. Like you know, the times have been encouraging, and we know we can go a lot faster when we get everything right. So you know, it's encouraging to know that we think we can in the future be competitive.
I have to say I feel a little bit happier than where I did 12 months ago. I mean, it's around this time last year when Ford made the decision, so you know, the last 2 months of last year was very, very difficult for me, but fortunately Qatar stepped in, which was a great asset, a great boost for everybody. But of course now we're in the same, 12 months further on, we're in the same situation again, so we have to just fight to find the funding to stay at the highest level, and that's what we have to do, because we've not only that, we've got an incredible customer base of cars out there, and we need to continue to give the support to all these people who have invested in Ford products.
Because the R5 is a big part in the customer budget. There's a lot of people buying the car. You're the first.
Yeah, it's a big part. I mean, I'm really pleased. It's a great vote of confidence for my company. The fact that we've now sold over 50 cars. They're not all delivered because we haven't been able to build them all, but we've got over 50 orders. So it's been a great success for us. I think it's also it's going to be a great success for rallying as a whole, because it's such a price competitive car. But of course then we've got all the WRC customers as well.
Don't you feel it's a bit weird when we have S2000 and WRC, a couple of cars, now it's 5 different classes introduced in a short period of time?
Yeah, but I think we have to understand that, obviously our Super 2000 was basically, it's got a short shelf life certainly in European wise. And of course, the new category R5 is the category for the future. And of course, what you've got the benefit with the regional car is at least you can convert your car from regional to a WRC very quickly within half an hour. So, I think you can't criticise WRC and regional, and obviously R5 is the future.